Hello and welcome all of you. On behalf of Jai Jalaram School, Godhra and Thermal, both together, myself, Devang Prajapati, I am your chemistry mentor. I used to take in both the medium, in English medium as well as in the Gujarati medium. So before starting, as the physical presence is not there, we all are meeting over here virtually. हम सब लोग फिजिकली तो अभी नहीं मिल रहे हैं पर वर्चुअली ऑनलाइन माध्यम के थ्रू हम ये मीटिंग में मिल रहे हैं जिसमें आज का जो हमारा सेशन है दैट इज कंप्लीटली इंट्रोडक्टरी पोर्शन फॉर द केमिस्ट्री. ओके, कंप्लीटली इंट्रोडक्टरी पोर्शन फॉर द केमिस्ट्री. केमिस्ट्री क्या है स्पेसिफिकली? I will not go into the everyday life of the chemistry, but then I'll directly focus on the chapters which are present in the 11th as well as the 12th chemistry. And basically, what is chemistry? What are the different types of the chemistry? That we are going to cover in this introductory portion. Okay, if you have any doubts, then you can keep it in your mind. I'll give you in last 5 to 10 minutes. You can ask me any doubts regarding whatever we are doing it today. Second thing, if you have immediate or the spontaneous doubt, then you can forward me a chat message directly so that I can read it and directly I can spontaneously, immediately I can reply. Okay, so this is what the support which I want. Whatever the doubts you want in between, you can text me, okay, in here only in chat box so that I can read it and I can reply it. Second thing, if the doubt is not immediate, then you can ask later on in the last 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so let us start the session. Okay, first of all, the basically the chemistry till now in the standard 10th, whatever you were studying, that is the complete science, the basic science, it was there, which has been divided in physics, chemistry and biology. These already you people are aware. But now in chemistry, basically we have one, that is physical chemistry, then the second one, that is the inorganic chemistry, and the third one that we have, that is the organic chemistry. Okay, so basically the complete chemistry, it has been divided in these three subcategories: the physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. But when you study the 11th standard, at that time, in standard 11, you will be having so many chapters which are the basics of chemistry. There are few chapters which are belongs to the topic of basics of chemistry, okay, in standard 11th. Whereas in 12th, the we can divide the complete textbook part 1 as well as part 2 in physical, in inorganic, and in organic chemistry. Okay, so this is what the basic idea of chemistry. Okay, now in standard 11, we have two books, part 1 as well as part 2. Yesterday, the students who were present in the group, I have forwarded the textbook of chapter 1 itself only. I have not forwarded the complete textbook. I have forwarded the only chapter number 1. Maybe in one of the group, if I have not posted, then very late they have joined me. So because of that, might be I have not posted. Otherwise, in the group where I have already present, okay, there I have posted this. Okay, but don't worry about it. Today itself, I will forward the chapter number 1. Okay, then so part 1 and then part 2. There are two textbooks of the chemistry in standard 11th. In same manner, for standard 12th also, we have two separate books, part 1 and part 2. Okay, so once again, this is what the basic idea of the chemistry subject. Okay, and then suppose if you people have decided that you need to choose the stream of science itself only. ओके, अगर आप लोगों ने डिसाइड कर लिया हो साइंस स्ट्रीम ही मुझे चूज करनी है, तो उसमें यू पीपल आर अवेयर एंड इवन मे बी यू आर क्वाइट मैच्योर्ड दैट इन साइंस there are total two groups: a group which is the completely engineering based, the engineering background, and B group that is the biology or the medical background. So in whatever the group you wanted to select, you can go for it. And I'm not saying that the science is the best stream. Okay, otherwise the other people, few people will say that sir is teaching in the science, so that's why maybe he or she is suggesting us to select the science stream. See, all the stream is very good. Okay, all the stream is very much good. It is not so that the commerce and the art stream it is below. It is not so. Why? Because I have seen there are few doctors and few engineers, those who are earning very less as compared to even the arts people also. So it is not so that the science is the great, means the very good branch, very good stream, and the commerce is means in between, and the arts is the weak one. It is not so. Even maybe there are few students, those who are weak with the, suppose if I am saying the mathematics, they will select the B group so that the mathematics they don't have to study. It is not so. It is the area of interest, okay, where you have to go. So suppose in A group, if you are interested, then you can go for A group. In B group, if you are interested, then you can select the B group. It is up to you and your parent. And parent can help you. Even the teachers also. Your teacher also can help you. In 9th and 10th, in wherever you were studying, whether in Godra or Thermal or in any other school. So might be there, your teachers also may help you. They can help you to select the stream, or even you can ask the teachers also of our school, or just now whoever is taking the lectures of yours. Okay, so it is on up to you. Now I'll not waste much of your time. I'll directly move towards the my chapter. But before starting the chapter, I'll introduce myself. Before also I've said I used to take the chemistry subject. Okay, and since from the last 2.5 years, or maybe approximately I can say the from 2 years, I'm here in the J. Jalaram group of schools. Physically, I used to take it at Godra in the J. Jalaram school, but just now, before that, the in the Anand also I used to teach. Now over here in Thermal also I have started. Okay, so earphone. The question is over here. Sir, can you please put on the earphone? Sorry, I have not taken just now. Means I am not having just now, so that I have not taken. Okay, but tomorrow, means in Monday onwards, surely I will take the earphones also. Okay, thank you. So once again, before this, means before 2 years, I was there at Rajkot in 7 to 8 schools, where visiting faculty I was there in so many schools. Okay, so this is what the my introductory portion. Okay, now physically we are not meeting, but I used to read your names, the students who has joined over here in the participant. Okay, so Akshat is there, Amin Pratham is there, Auria is there, then Ayush is there, Devanshi is there, Divya Pandya is there, Dvij is there, Juhil is there, Mansi is there, Mudra is there, Palak is there, Ekta is there, then Pragya is there, Slok is there, Sneha, then Rudra, Abhay, Vaibhavi, Brusali, and Zaid. So I think so I have not missed anyone. I have said or pronounced all the names. Okay. If physical is there, then I can, maybe surely I can ask your introduction also. Okay. But then we'll be continuing whenever means the physical sessions are there. Okay, so now let us move further directly. See here, I have opened a word file, that 11th and 12th chemistry syllabus distribution. Just a minute, let me keep it enlarged so that it's easy to watch. Yes, so the 11th and 12th chemistry syllabus distribution, overall idea I have said. Okay, how many chapters are there? Part 1 and part 2. Now let us discuss about the three subjects mainly. The first one, in physical chemistry, from 11th we have the chapter number 1, that is some basic concepts of chemistry, that is the chapter number 1. Then chapter number 2, the structure of an atom, once again from 11th only. Then chapter number 4, that is chemical bonding and the molecular structure, that is also from 11th itself, part 1. States of matter, standard 11th itself, part 1. Thermodynamics, 11th, part 1. Chapter 7, equilibrium, 11th, part 1 in physical chemistry only. Redox reaction in physical chemistry, little bit concept of organic also is used over there. Okay, but then I have taken in redox reaction in physical chemistry itself, part 2, 11th standard. Then solid states, 12th standard, chapter number 1. Chapter 2, solution, standard 12th. Chapter 3, electrochemistry. Chapter 4, chemical kinetics. Chapter 5, surface chemistry. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a part of 12th standard, part 1. 12th standard, part 1 chemistry subject. Then in organic chemistry, if you see, we have the general organic chemistry, GOC it is called. Okay, it is called as a GOC. This chapter number 12. Okay, then chapter number 13, it is hydrocarbon. Okay, after that chapter number 10, hydrocarbon is a part of 11th standard only. Okay, part 2. Then chapter 10, haloalkane and haloarine compounds. That is 12th standard, part 2. Alcohol, phenol and ether. In compound, there is a spelling mistake is there over here. Okay, just let me rectify it. Okay. After that, alcohol, phenol and ether compounds. Once again, that is in part 2, 12th standard. Aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, part 2, 12th standard, chapter number 12. Chapter number 13, amine compounds, 12th standard, chapter number 14, biomolecules. See here now this biomolecule chapter, it is in chemistry in part 2, standard 12th. But then same chapter is available in the biology of 11th standard. So if you have selected, suppose the B group, I am saying it, okay, then you will be getting little bit benefit over here. In 11th also you will be studying the same chapter in biology. Same chapter we are going to continue in 12th standard in chemistry. But it is not so that the A group students will not able to understand. Don't worry about it. Okay. Then chapter 15, polymers, and the chapter 16, use of chemistry in everyday life. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. That is of totally chapter part 2 of 12th standard. Whereas 12 and 13 at starting, general organic chemistry and hydrocarbon. These both the chapters are of organic chemistry in 11th standard. Okay. After that, inorganic chemistry, chapter number 3, classification of elements and periodicity, very much important chapter. Even might be you have remembered about your 10th standard also. In 10th also about the modern periodic table, the overall idea, what is group, what is period, and all these things you people have studied. Okay, how many groups are there, how many periods are there. Okay, same thing, but then into the greater detail with the electronic configuration. Okay, into the greater detail. That is a part of inorganic chemistry and very basic chapter, 11th standard, chapter number 3. Then very easy chapter, hydrogen, that is of 11th standard, chapter number 8. S block elements. S block elements. Now again, this is belongs to the quite nearer to the classification of elements. If you know the periodic table, then standard 11th, then P block elements. P block element, there are two chapter. P block element part 1, it is in the 11th standard. Okay, whereas P block element part 2, it is in the 12th standard. So you need to pay more attention in 11th in P block elements part 1, and then part 2 it is in the 12th. Chapter 14, environmental chemistry, standard 11th part 2. So see here, P block elements they have written, I have written twice. Chapter 12 also P block elements, okay, and chapter 7 also P block elements. Okay, so 2 times it is. Okay, now 2 times why I have written one P block element, it is in 11th, and one P block it is in the 12th. Okay, in 11th it is chapter number 11, maybe 6 or 7 or some chapters are there, but then one chapter is there, and then in 12th it is 7 chapter P block elements. Okay, after that D and F block elements, it is in part 1, 12th standard. Then general principle and process of isolation of elements, that is in the 12th standard, chapter number 6. Then coordination compound, that is in 12th standard, part 1. Okay, so this is overall all the chapters which I have taken. Okay, the physical chemistry, organic chemistry, and inorganic chemistry. Okay, of 11th as well as in 12th, both the things. Okay, now second thing, after this I'll be moving directly towards, I know over here in this area, the majority of the students, they opt for group B. Majority of the bachas, they used to select the group B. Okay, over here. There are few students, they used to opt for the group A also, it is not so. But then very less number of students, they used to go for the group A. So NEET exam pattern 2019 over here, 20, because of the yes, 20 also it was same. Then 21, because of COVID might be still it has not been taken, but इसमें कुछ changes हो सकते हैं, नहीं हो सकते, that is dependent on NTA, that is National Testing Agency, who used to conduct this examination. Okay, so 180 questions होते हैं. Okay, that is belongs to the physics, chemistry and biology. The exam will cover both, that is class 11 and class 12. मतलब कि आपको यहाँ पे सिलेबस का स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, आपको क्लास 11 और क्लास 12, ओके, बोथ यू नीड टू स्टडी. ओके, क्लास 11 एज वेल एज क्लास 12 दोनों आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से. ओके, देन द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द नीट, दैट इज 2019 और 20 वट एवर इट वॉज 3 आवर्स. ओके, अभी शायद ये आधा घंटा 1 घंटा आपको बढ़ा सकते हैं कोविड की वजह से, आने जाने की वजह से. ठीक है, वहाँ पे टाइमिंग मीन्स टिल नाउ ये पैटर्न है, रेगुलर पैटर्न इट इज फॉर 3 आवर्स. कोविड की वजह से उसमें कोई सिग्निफिकेंस, कोई चेंजेस वगैरह आता है तो बात अलग है. ओके, देन द कैंडिडेट्स विल बी अवॉर्डेड बाय 4+4 marks with the correct answer. Suppose if you are having the correct answer, then you will be getting 4 marks. But if you selected wrong answer, you will be deducted -1 marks. तो आपके 4 मार्क्स तो जाएंगे ही, साथ में एक एक्स्ट्रा नेगेटिव जाएगा. Okay, so total 5 marks will be cut. Okay, so negative marking will be -1. Okay, means it is 0.25%. Okay, तो 4 का 0.25% आप निकालोगे तो 1 हो जाएगा. 25%। ओके, तो 4 में से 1 मार्क आपका डिडक्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक है, रॉन्ग आंसर के लिए, मीन्स नेगेटिव मार्किंग सिस्टम्स आर देयर। ओके, क्वेश्चन पेपर जो है वो इंग्लिश, हिंदी, तमिल, ओके, आसामीज, ओरिया, कन्नड़ा, bengali, even gujarati, marathi, urdu and telugu, in different languages it has been conducted. Okay, so whatever the language you can offer it. Okay, then OMR sheet में आपको टिक मार्क करना होता है, ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर. Okay, then there are multiple choice questions, that is MCQ would be available. Okay, 1 mark will be deducted for every incorrect answer. Suppose the answer is incorrect, then आपको 1 mark deduct किया जाएगा. करेक्ट आंसर के लिए आपको 4 मार्क्स दिए जाएंगे. ओके, देन द 45 क्वेश्चंस विल बी असाइंड टू फिजिक्स. 45 क्वेश्चन फिजिक्स के मिल जाएंगे आपको, 45 क्वेश्चन केमिस्ट्री के मिल जाएंगे, 45 क्वेश्चंस बोटनी के मिल जाएंगे, 45 क्वेश्चंस जियोलॉजी के मिल जाएंगे. बोटनी एंड जियोलॉजी बोथ टुगेदर, it is called as a biology. Okay, botany, that is the subject of the plants, so that's why it is called as a botany. And zoology, that is a subject of animals. Okay, so both together, plant and animal togetherly is called as in biology. So it is total biology is 90 questions. Okay, now pattern of NEET question paper. Okay, that is physics 45 questions, 180 marks, one question 4 marks, so 45 4s are 180. Chemistry also 45, 180 marks, 45 question botany, 45 question zoology, togetherly 180 180, that is 360. Both this is biology, 180 plus 180, that is 360. Okay, after that total mark if you should be seeing, then it would be 720. Okay, 18 forza if you will do, you will be getting 72. Okay, no marks will be awarded as an unanswered question. Suppose आपने कोई क्वेश्चन टिक नहीं किया हुआ है, ओके, देन नो मार्क्स मीन्स आपको कुछ मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे उसके, और डिडक्ट भी नहीं होने वाला है. ओके, then the changing answer is not allowed. Once if you have done the tick mark, if you have done the circle, no changing. Okay, multiple answers will be considered as the incorrect response if you have selected more than 2 3 answers. Suppose 4 options are there, and if you have selected 2 answers, then it will not be, it will be considered as a negative mark. Okay, how to calculate the NEET score? NEET का score कैसे calculate किया जाता है? That is, NEET score का formula है correct answer multiplied by 4. सपोज 25 क्वेश्चंस आपने करेक्ट किए तो 25 4 100 माइनस इनकरेक्ट आंसर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1. सपोज आपके 4 करेक्ट इनकरेक्ट है, ठीक है, तो इनकरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1, तो 4 इंटू 1 4, तो 100 माइनस 4 कर दो तो आपका 96 स्कोर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, चलो इसमें किसी को कुछ डाउट क्वेश्चन हो तो क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो.